Hello, everyone. Today we are going to discuss some environmental problems. The first environmental problem that we want to talk about is our carbon footprint. What is carbon footprint? Gohar?
This is our CO2 emissions. It's caused by the use of fossil fuels for transportation. People are driving cars and flying in planes wherever they want to go.
What can be the effects of this environmental problem?
The effect is climate change and extreme weather.
Okay, and what about solutions?
One of the solutions is to use public transportation or bikes, especially when we have to cover short distances.
Okay, let's move on to the problem of deforestation. Who wants to speak about causes? Yes, Lavon, go ahead.
This is caused by cutting down trees.
Absolutely. And the effects, please?
The effects include floods, loss of wildlife, lower soil quality, and so on.
How about the solution?
The solution is to grow trees, protect forests, and go green.
Our next problem is the water crisis, the shortage of clean water. Yes, Monet, tell us the causes.
Well, this is caused by overuse of water by factories and farms. The rivers are polluted. Besides, some parts of the world are becoming drier because of global warming.
Now, let's discuss the effects.
Yes. The effects include health problems and water shortages for farming and industry, and actually for everyone.
Think about a solution, please.
The solution is to manage water resources and protect forests.
The next problem is hunting. David, your turn.
Well, this is caused by people who go hunting for sport. And some animal products, such as ivory, can be sold in many countries. The effect is the loss of endangered wildlife such as elephants and tigers.
That's right. What about solutions?
I think the solution is effective enforcement of laws against hunting.
Okay, on to the problem of the melting ice cap. Susanna, please.
Everyone knows this is caused by global warming.
Right. And the effect is the rising level of the ocean, the loss of polar ice caps, and the loss of wildlife, such as polar bears.
Yes, and I believe the solution is that all countries should try to reduce carbon emissions.
Good point. Thank you, Susanna. Another environmental problem is using toxic sprays for agriculture and farming. Arson, any ideas?
Well, this is caused by farmers trying to protect plants against different diseases.
All right, Arson. Now tell me about the effects.
One effect is the accidental killing of wildlife. Also, toxic sprays are dangerous for workers. Not only that, the farms may sell contaminated products.
And do you have any solution?
The solution is simple. Just ban chemical and toxic sprays.
Everyone is familiar with the next problem. I am talking about plastic waste. Lilith, please.
This is caused by the convenience of using plastic bags in shops and supermarkets.
Okay, and what are the effects of too many plastic bags?
The effect is the killing of sea life and polluting of the oceans.
Unfortunately, you are right. Any solutions?
The solution can be to raise awareness among customers and supermarkets to stop using plastic or legislate to stop them.
Great. Hope it would work. The last problem is air pollution in our cities. Havanas, do you live in the city?
Yes, I live downtown, and sometimes I can't breathe because of air pollution caused by people using cars, buses, and trucks that rely on fossil fuels.
And how does it influence on the quality of life?
Well, air pollution has a bad effect on our health. Many people in cities have respiratory problems. And, of course, it contributes to global warming.
Exactly. Can you come up with a solution?
I think we need alternative kinds of transportation. We need to start using electric vehicles. We also need to improve public transportation.
Okay, everyone. Thanks for your meaningful contributions to the discussion. See you tomorrow.